Christmas pranks.
Ho, ho, ho. What in the...
Uh-oh.
Shh. What was that?
Hello, Santa Claus.
It's the Grinch.
Don't mind me. I'm just taking some
Stop
free
right there, you
presents.
Grinch.
Run, Max! Let's get more presents!
All right, Max. That's a good one. Yes. Oh, yeah. Blue is my favorite color. I'll take that one. Oh, Santa! Hey, it's gonna go! Bye-bye! Run, Max! Run! All right. Yes, I like that one. And, I'll take that one too right there. All right. Let's see here. They don't need this. Bye-bye. What else do I want? Oh, well, I should. It's so yummy. I might put that one in here for later. Max, let's go! Santa's coming. Run! Let's go! I hear him. Oh, it's us! Let's trap him inside the door. Are you ready? Good boy, Max. Let's go! My goodness! Santa Claus is a lot faster than I thought. Whoa! What is that? Presents. Run! Run! Go, go, go! Shoot me, sir! Watch out! Come on, pardon me, sir. I'm gonna block you here. Watch out, Santa Claus! Run! Hey, can you see me? You see him? Ah! Oh, no, where he is. I need a phone. Now, I see one. Brah! Excuse me, but I need your phone. Thank you. Don't worry, I'll give it back when I'm done.
Grinch! Grinch!
What do you want?
I just want to give you a present. That's all.
Me?
One present for you.
A present? Why, nobody's ever given me a present before. Is this what Christmas feels like? Oh, I love it. I'm so sorry I tried to steal Christmas from everyone. I just wanted to feel jolly like you.
Ho! Ho, ho! We're just giving out Christmas presents.
I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie.
Other way. We're nice. Tails. Ah!
Come on, let's get jiggy-witty. Na 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 na. All right, let's go. We gotta burn off the milk and cookies. Sailor, both feet. Let's go. Whoa! I have friends. How are you doing this? Wow. What?
Look, it's coming out.
Where did it go? How did you do it? My mind is blowing. This is a wonderful feeling. I just felt Christmas. But where did it go? Anybody know?
Oh! Ho, ho, ho!
What did you teach him?
I see something over here. Let's go. This way, everyone. Come on, Santa. Max, let's go. Max!
1, 2, 3.
Christmas isn't about presents. It's about love, friends, and family, and fun.
Big thank you to all my friends that helped me out this video. Please check them out. Links are in the description. Show them some love too. Thumbs up the video if you liked it. Everybody in this video got a snake can prank, so don't be left out. It's not too late. Get yours right now. Buy one, get one until December 31st, 2018. So you can start the new year with some fun laughs or maybe squeeze in a few just before 2018 ends. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to you and your family. Live inspired, shock the world. I'll see you next time.